In this video, I will show you how to create a CJ dropshipping account. To do this, you can just go and click on the link down in the description, which will take you directly to their sign up page. Now from here you have quite a few options. You can enter your details here manually, or if you already have a Shopify account, what I would suggest doing is just click on Shopify right there, and then from there you can sign in using your Shopify account, so you can then install the app on your store, and then it will also automatically be connected. Now if you don't have a Shopify account yet, but you do want to sell on Shopify, I'll leave a link to this page to Shopify down in the description. And by signing up through that link, you will get a 3-day free trial where you don't need to enter any credit card details. And then you will get 3 months of Shopify for only €1 or pound or dollar per month. So if you do want to sell on Shopify, this is the best deal around that I've seen. So if you want to claim it, you can also get this through the link down in the description. And then what I would suggest doing is have a tab open where you're signed into Shopify. And then on the CJ Dropshipping sign up page, just select Shopify and click on install. And then from there, it is now going to install CJ Dropshipping on your Shopify store. You just have to confirm it by clicking on install. And then you can sign up and it will automatically be connected. So it will say welcome to CJ. So just agree with the authorization agreement and click on login and authorize. And now you can go and sign in again using Shopify. And now you can click open right there. Now if from there it takes you to this page, then that means that it did not really create your account, which sometimes happens if you go through Shopify. So if that is the case, then just go and click on sign up here again. And then now you want to go and enter the details right here. And the advantage of doing it this way is that now you can see CJ Dropshipping is already connected and installed on your Shopify store. So now just enter these details and then click next. Then enter a username, first and last name and phone number. And now they will have a user questionnaire. You can just skip this if you want. And then for the store authorization, if you want to sell on Shopify, select Shopify, but you can also select any of these other ones. And now basically when you get to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard, what you can now do is go back to Shopify. And since the app is already installed, just go to apps here and then click CJ Dropshipping. And now it's going to redirect you to CJ Dropshipping, and if you have a tab open where you're signed in, then from there it is just going to connect to Shopify. Now again, I'll leave a link to the CJ Dropshipping sign up page down in the description, as well as a link for the 3-month trial to Shopify. And you can see I have now created my CJ Dropshipping account, and I have also connected it to my e-commerce platform, which in my case is Shopify. You can see it has the one right there. So that's how to create a CJ Dropshipping account and then also immediately connect it to your e-commerce platform. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.